Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to rename our websites from the websites page on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to the websites page. As you see, this is my websites page and it has all the added websites to my hosting plan. Now let's see how to rename our website on this list. For example, this first website is called Namecheap domain site. To rename it or to edit this name, simply click on manage. You will see the same website name here, and next to it you will see rename. Click on it, and now let's call it, for example, before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And now let's call it, for example, Namecheap domain site number 2. Click on rename. As you see, your website name has been changed successfully. Now, if I click again on the websites page, I will see my new name here. And this is how to rename our websites from the websites page on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.